Okay, good morning and namaste, my dear students. It's me Kamal Pokhel. Uh, Today it is the 25th day of the virtual class of Standard 4. Today I am with the new topics, Unit 5. The topic's name is Birbal Khichdi. This is the very popular story. Today we will discuss on these topics. In this story, there are three main characters. In this story, there are mainly three characters. They are Akbar, Birbal, and next poor man. Okay. Akbar is the king of the Mughal. Okay. He is the Muslim king. He is the king of the Mughal. And Birbal, he is the Brahmin advisor of Mughal emperor. Okay, same. He is the advisor of Akbar, or he is the minister of Akbar. And poor man. Okay, there is one character. One day, Akbar and Birbal. You know that Birbal is the very wise person, and Akbar he always asks some puzzle type of the question to solve, and Birbal every time he succeeded to solve the puzzle that is given by the Akbar. One winter, okay, a cold winter, okay, Akbar and Birbal, they were walking along the lakeside. They were walking along the Akbar and Birbal, they were walking along the lakeside. Akbar touched the water with the finger, and the water was very cold. Okay. He took out the finger due to the very cold. It was so chilling cold that he could not put the finger for a long time. He took out it immediately. Akbar asked Birbal, can you search the persons who can spend whole night in this cold water? He asked Birbal that can you find the persons who can spend the whole night in this cold water? Birbal replied, of course, I will try my best. I will search that the person. Birbal, he started to search that persons. Okay. Birbal, he went out to search in search of that the persons who can spend whole night in that cold water pond. Okay. And Akbar also he declared to give the award. Okay. He was offering to give the sack of the gold coins. सुनले भरिएको थैली, त्यो award he wanted to give. If the persons is able to spend whole night in the pond, he will give the gold coins, hundreds of the gold coins he will give. He declared that prize. Birbal, he searched everywhere. Eventually, he succeeded to find the person that was ready to spend in that cold lake or pond. Yes. Birbal asked the man was very poor. The Birbal asked the poor man, "Are you really interested to spend whole night in this cold lake?" The poor man, he replied that because he was so poor, he needed money. His economic condition was very bad, so he accepted his offer. He was ready to spend whole night in that the cold lake, and he went to the lake, he went to the pond, and he spent there. Okay, he spent the whole night. Akbar, he kept the persons to watch him. Watch is the activity. Okay. Is he ready? Is he ready to spend the whole night? The poor man spent whole night shivering in that the cold, and early in the morning, Akbar asked him, how you became able to spend the whole night in this shivering cold. The poor man told Akbar that, of course, the water of this the pond is very cold. I spent in this the pond by watching the light far away, okay, far distance, which was coming, and with the help of the light, I spent whole night in this pond. Hearing his word, Akbar, he rejected to give the award, saying that I will not give you any gold coins because you spent whole night, okay, with the help of the light, so you will not get any award. The poor man, the helpless poor man, did not argue. Okay, he did not discuss with the Akbar because Akbar was the king. He did not discuss with Akbar. He direct went to the Birbal's house and told everything what had happened with him. Birbal thought for some time. Next morning, there was the gathering. There was the gathering in the palace. Okay. All the ministers, all the important persons had gathered there in the meeting in front of the king. But Birbal, he was absent. He didn't come there. Akbar, he surprised the reason why the Birbal was not there. What may be the reason? He sent some persons to Birbal's house. When the persons reached the Birbal house, they saw there the Birbal was cooking something. The Birbal was cooking something, hanging a pot, and there was a fire below, and just up. Okay, just above the fire, at least 5 feet above the fire, there was a pot hanging, and they very surprised to see that scene, and they returned back. Uh, Birbal asked the person the reason why they had come there. The person told him that the king had called. The Birbal replied that I will go to the court, I will go to the palace after cooking this khichdi. Okay, when the khichdi will cooked, then I will go to the palace. Akbar, he waited 1 hour, but Birbal, he didn't come to the palace, and he saw that. He surprised. He went to the Birbal house himself. He saw that Birbal was cooking the khichdi, but the pot in which the khichdi was cooking, it was quite above the fire. How it is possible? How it is possible? In this the distance, if we are the cooking the khichdi, in this distance, then will it possible to cook? Of course, it is impossible. Birbal replied to the Akbar that of course it will cook. Okay, just like in the same way it will cook. The poor man was spending whole night in the shivering cold water, and he spent if he could able to spend whole night with the help of the light far distance, why this khichdi will not cook? He replied, and to hear is the words Akbar, he realized he realizes the mistakes, and he gave the award to the poor man. Okay, this is the story, dear student. I hope that you should understand clearly. To more understand clearly, read this lesson. Okay, again and again, you will clearly understand. I have just explained from this the lesson. In next class, I will help you to do the question answer. This much for today. Thank you.